All right, something unusual, something you don't see very often. This is the Police Tahoe edition. So the new Tahoe has a police version. Obviously you have to have a fleet company in order to get them or buy them in the used market. Check this one out. So your Police Tahoe is kind of a combination of an LT and a Z71. You'll notice that you've got more clearance up front. Very Z71-like front end, but it is a little bit different. They've got a steel 20-inch wheel with Firehawk Pursuit tires on it. It's almost like an LT Z71 as far as like the trim and the keyless entry goes on it. This one came in at $48,985. I'll go over the window sticker here in a second. 21 Tahoe Police vehicle. Standard price is $51. This one happens to have the pillar mounted stop lamp, the rear door lock inoperative, the rear window switch inoperative, wiring for the horns, flasher system, daytime running lamps with automatic headlight control delete, fleet management, and none of them are equipped with the automatic stop start. And then the police package is actually a $4,300 discount. Again, this is a fleet vehicle, so you have to have a fleet account in order to order them, or we pick one up for you used. So things you'll notice, the big difference, we've got the 3-bench set up, and that's of course because they're gonna have all their equipment up in the front here. A little more simplified center stack and a smaller screen up front. Bench seat in the back, vinyl floors. There is a plug-in in the back here. Manual lift gate, and you'll notice big difference here is you know, when you get the Police Tahoe, it's the reason why it's a lot cheaper. It doesn't have any of that third row seat or storage. It's all vinyl back here, so they can mount whatever they need to mount in there. Still has the USB chargers in the corners and a plug-in power outlet in the back. These also have the auto 4x4, the 4 high, the 2 high, and the simulated 4-wheel drive low, which is what that button is right there. And of course you've got your lamp control for your spotlight. It's pretty cool. Hope you liked the video. If you'd like to know more about these or ordering one of them up, give me a call at 800-642-1566. Thank you.